Hello programmers, welcome to my YouTube channel Techie Projects. So in this video I will show you the hand gesture recognition using Python. So in that project we are placing any particular file from one location to another location, and we can open that file or whatever we can do from using hand gesture. So we can open any file by using two fingers. Okay, and you can hold any file and you can move it from different location by just close the close your fingers like that, and it will show the coordinates of mouse in the screen. For the right click you can just use the single finger.
Holding file from test 1, File Explorer folder. Drop file to test 2, File Explorer folder.
Whenever you place file from one location to another location, so it will show the pickup coordinates, drop coordinates, and the distance, and it will give the voice feedback.
Holding file from test 2, File Explorer folder. Drop file to test 1, File Explorer folder.
Like if you again place that particular same file in the same location, then it will also show the pickup coordinates, drop coordinates, and the distance with the voice feedback. If we run the different Python code, then it will work for the brightness and the volume up and down. Like if from the hand gesture, you can just show with the increasing the brightness or lower the brightness by using a single finger and the thumb. You can just place your hand from the up or down, up to down, or down to up. If you want to increase the brightness, then you have to move your hand from the low to up. Decrease your volume, then you have to move your hand from the upper to down. So this is a complete project. If you're in doubt, then you can comment in the comment section. I will try to reply soon. And thank you friends for watching my video. If any, then subscribe channel and share with a friend. Thank you.